Hi Verses, in this video I'm gonna quickly show you guys how you can easily do your brick by brick pattern for your knotless braids and also for your box braids. First thing, we are going to part out your first row. Okay, the size depends on you. Then make sure your lines is very clear. You can also apply some hair wax to it in order to define your lines the more. For this first row, I want it to be 4 in number. Okay, I want it to just have 4 size. So if you are doing, I'm doing medium size. So if you are doing jumbo size, the back one should be 3 in number. If you are doing most jumbo size, then the back one have to be 2 in number. So for me, I am doing the medium size. So what I did was to divide it into 2 equal parts, and then each of these 2, I divided it into 2 again, and then I'm gonna braid it a little bit, and then the second one I will do the same thing. Then the remaining hair, I am going to divide it into 2 and then braid it. If you do it this way, it will be easy for you now to just lose up and then you braid. If you are doing knotless braid, just lose it and do your knotless braid. If you are doing box braid, just lose it and then do your box braid. So after that, this first row gave me 4, like I said. Then I went ahead to pass my second row. This second one, I'm going to have 5 pieces in it, 5 pieces of braid in it. So for this first one, I'm going to pass it in a way that it will fall in between the first braid. Okay, the first one on the second row falls in between the first braid on the first row. Then the second one will fall in between the first and second braid of the first row. Remember what we are doing, the brick pattern. After parting it, it will look like a brick when you are done with your braids. Then this third one is going to fall in between the second and third braid. Okay, then the fourth one will fall in between the second and the fourth braid. Then the last one will fall in between the last braid. This is what you're going to continue doing. When you part your third row, the first one will now fall in between the first braid on the second one. The second one will fall in between the second and third of the second row, just like that. So this is how you're going to do your brick pattern for your knotless braid and also for your box braids. If you found any value from this video, do not forget to like. If you are here to subscribe to my channel, click on the subscribe button here in this channel. I make hair tutorial videos. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next upload.